friends. We are at Paliesiaus Manor house. We are in east northern Lithuania, and actually in the corner of Lithuania, at the border with Belarus. So not far from here is Belarus, and this manor house, the word Paliesiaus means in the grove, or by the grove, or in a little foresty area. And it was first mentioned as a estate of Tyzenhauz family in the 17th century, and later on it changed hands numerous times. When Lithuania was conquered by Russian Empire, Russian noblemen got it as a gift from the Russian Tsar, and they changed the atmosphere here many times. This part, it was a stable for horses in the shape of a horseshoe, and it is today a Congress and concert hall, which is covered by a glass building. So it's a building inside the building. So now we see the main manor house, and next to it, covered by a flat roof, is that horseshoe, the remnants of the horseshoe building, the former stable house, and the whole area of Paliesiaus Manor house, which is a beautiful, peaceful and quiet area where storks like to make their nests, and a little river flows by, and some forests, and some small settlements and villages. So there are over 30 renovated manor houses in Lithuania, which offer accommodation, different amusement facilities, spa centers, congress venue places, and so on. And Paliesiaus Dvaras is one of them. It's a private company which runs the place, so everything is renovated, fixed. They have a good restaurant and a bakery. You are welcome to stay here for 2-3 nights when you are traveling in Lithuania. Thank you for being with us on Jurlita Travel channel.